The cloud is emerging as a new growth frontier for the Indian MSME sector. And to present the theme, I would request Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, Managing Director, Albion Infotel Private Limited, to come forward. Thank you.
Honorable Minister for IT, Communication and HRD, Mr. Kapil Sibal, Mr. J. Satyanarayan, Secretary, IT, Government of India, Mr. Sandeep Somani, President, PSD Chamber and Commerce and Industry, Ms. Susmita Shekhar, Secretary General, PSD Chamber, Mr. Sharad Jaipuria, Vice President, Mr. Jatendra Singh, Secretary, Skill Development, Education Innovation Committee, PSD Chamber, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to address this gathering under the umbrella of PSD Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and that too when eminent minister and secretaries of Government of India are present. It gives me organization immense pleasure in being knowledge partner of PSD Chamber for this event, which has been doing excellent work in knowledge dissemination in several fields, keeping in motto and progress, harmony and development. The small and mid-sized businesses, it is Herculean task for them to get the output out of it. Cloud computing is a very good answer for these challenges. People say this technology has emerged during the recession period when the companies were cutting down their budgets of IT spending. IT companies have decided to host their application, virtualize their hardware, application, databases, etc., and sell it on the pay-per-use model. With cloud computing, you eliminate those headaches because you are not managing hardware, software, and databases. We have professionals from both the government and the technology leader to talk about these topics in detail during this event. I think this is going to be the last of my things. I mean, it is really important to know that why we are holding this seminar and what advantage we can get out of it. Keeping in mind the PSD Chamber and the Commerce and the Industry, the Albion has its knowledge partner. It is appropriate to hold this national seminar to increase the awareness among our members, mostly consisting of small and medium enterprise, so that the subject is discussed, debated between the government functionaries, technology leaders, and end-user community, leading a better secured and IT infrastructure. Data and digital information asset leading to the overall prosperity of the individual, organization, and the economic growth of our country. We are lucky to have Honorable Minister, IT, Communication and Education, keynote speaker of this seminar. We are also lucky to have Secretary of IT, MSME, and other prominent speaker. In the technical session to follow, we have eminent speaker from Data Security of Council, Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, and technical expert from EMC, VMware, Kaspersky, to enlighten the audience with the finer aspect of information technology and cyber security. I am confident that the participants of this seminar will learn a lot and get immense benefit while listening to the eminent speakers and their presentation. I will certainly request them to attentive and take full advantage of the learning from them. With this, I would like to say thanks and once again taking out your time and listening to us. Thank you very much.